Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix Windows security icon doesn't appear on system tray on Windows 11, 10. First method is click Start, Settings, click Personalization. Click Taskbar, click Other system tray icons. Turn on Windows Security Notification icon. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Apps. Click Startup, turn on Windows Security Notification icon. Third method is type gpedit.msc in Windows search bar, click gpedit.msc. Click and expand administrative templates, click and expand Windows components, click and expand Windows security. Click SysTray, open hide Windows security SysTray, change to not configured, click Apply, click OK, restart system. Fourth method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Copy text from description and paste it. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.